Welcome to today's installment. If you've been keeping up with the build, you know, last video I was working on this front fender here. Today I'm going to be cleaning up the back. Started to cut out some sort of detail there. It's getting a bit carried away. I think just simply widening the base as clean as possible will keep the rice levels down. I'm only going for like a white rice to go with dinner, not like a pork fried rice. But just like the last time, I'm going to film the process a little bit and then speed it up in the edit. So it's probably going to be an hour for me, might accumulate to 20 seconds of watch time. Alright, I got it shaped out as much as I can. I still need to add some in here. Also, I'm trying to decide if, now I kind of have a pronounced 2 points or whatever, if I should fill this middle here out and just go with one straight continuous line. It's going to be hard to decide that without the tire there. Another one's going to be on the way. Next video, I'm definitely getting into the side skirt to figure that out. But it's been a long time since this thing's been started, so much that I had to charge up the battery. So I'm probably gonna start it up, air it up, start it up, pull it out, and clean this garage because it's getting pretty stacked up. Tell me that is not gonna look awesome. When that is on this side over here also, it's gonna be cool. Let's get the battery in, fire it up. I don't know why I do this every winter. The battery ends up completely dying, which I think that little memory that the ECU has loses its little bit of charge too. The car runs like straight shit until I get it up to operating temperature, which I'm trying to do right now so that I can reset the adapters. So let's hope it's the same as last year and I don't have bubble and coolant. The car's so angry. Looks awesome. Gas pedal does nothing. That's my throttle body like. Try to reset the adapters. Cross your fingers. Let it warm up and try again. That's the carbon monoxide detector. Nice and healthy air. See if it's up to operating temp. It's pretty damn close. It's in limp mode right now. That throttle body lightning bolt is on.